Do you know that having eggs for breakfast might be negatively affecting your health? Although eggs are one of the most nutritious foods, pairing them with the wrong ingredients could unintentionally harm your body. Some common combinations may lead to chronic inflammation, digestive issues, and even increase the risk of conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and cognitive decline. In this video, we'll reveal 3 foods you should never eat with eggs, as they can reduce nutrient absorption or have harmful effects on your health. At the same time, you'll also discover the 3 best foods to pair with eggs to maximize their nutritional benefits and support your overall well-being. Are you eating eggs the wrong way? Watch until the end to find out, and don't forget to leave a comment sharing your thoughts. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on more science-backed nutrition tips. The worst food pairings with eggs. First, eggs and white bread. Many people have a habit of eating eggs with white bread for breakfast, but few realize that this combination is not beneficial for health. White bread and refined flour products like pancakes or waffles contain highly processed carbohydrates, which have been stripped of almost all fiber and natural nutrients. When consumed, these refined carbs quickly break down into sugar, causing a rapid spike in blood sugar levels and triggering insulin production to balance it out. The problem is that after this sudden spike, blood sugar levels drop sharply, leading to fatigue, sluggishness, and even mood swings. Over time, repeated cycles of this process increase the risk of insulin resistance, the primary cause of type 2 diabetes, obesity, and chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is also linked to conditions such as heart disease, arthritis, and cognitive decline, negatively impacting overall health. To optimize nutrition when eating eggs, you should replace white bread with whole grain bread, sprouted grain bread, or sourdough bread, as these options are rich in fiber and help regulate blood sugar more effectively. Additionally, roasted sweet potatoes make an excellent alternative, providing slow-digesting carbohydrates that support gut health and maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. Next, eggs and soy. Both eggs and soy are highly nutritious foods, but when consumed together, they may interfere with the body's ability to absorb essential nutrients. Soy contains trypsin inhibitors, which block the activity of trypsin, an enzyme crucial for breaking down proteins. When eaten with eggs, these inhibitors can reduce protein absorption, preventing you from getting the full benefits of these foods. Additionally, egg whites contain avidin, a protein that binds to biotin, a vital vitamin for healthy hair, skin, and nails. If consumed raw or undercooked, avidin can prevent the body from absorbing biotin, potentially leading to deficiencies. Biotin deficiency may cause fatigue, brittle hair, and weak nails, negatively impacting overall health. To optimize nutrition, it's best to avoid eating eggs and soy together in the same meal. Instead, consider pairing eggs with nutrient-rich foods like leafy greens, tomatoes, or avocado. These options not only provide essential vitamins and minerals but also enhance protein absorption, offering more comprehensive health benefits. Third, eggs and tea, a combination that may hinder nutrient absorption. Eggs are a rich source of protein, while tea is a popular beverage enjoyed by many. However, consuming these two together in the same meal may not provide the benefits you expect. The main issue comes from tannins, a compound found in tea. Tannins can bind to the proteins in eggs, slowing down digestion and making it harder for the body to absorb essential nutrients. Additionally, tannins may increase the absorption of certain harmful substances in food, which could negatively impact long-term health. Moreover, tea can also interfere with the absorption of iron and calcium, two essential minerals for bone health and circulation. Regularly drinking tea immediately after eating eggs may contribute to iron deficiency, leading to fatigue, or calcium deficiency, which can weaken bones over time. A simple way to avoid these negative effects is to drink tea at least 30 to 60 minutes before or after your meal. If you prefer to enjoy tea right after eating, opt for herbal teas like chamomile or peppermint, as they do not contain tannins and will not disrupt nutrient absorption. Next, the best foods to pair with eggs. First, eggs and pumpkin, the perfect combination for healthy eyes. Pumpkin and eggs are both nutrient-rich foods, especially beneficial for eye health. Pumpkin is packed with beta-carotene, a precursor of vitamin A that enhances vision, reduces the risk of macular degeneration, and helps maintain overall eye health. Regular intake of beta-carotene also improves adaptation to low-light conditions and prevents dry eyes. Meanwhile, eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants that protect the eyes from harmful blue light emitted by screens and sunlight. These nutrients also help lower the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Combining eggs and pumpkin not only creates a delicious meal but also provides optimal eye health benefits. One simple and nutritious way to enjoy this pairing is pumpkin omelet. The natural sweetness of pumpkin combined with the richness of eggs enhances both flavor and nutrient absorption, making it a perfect choice for a healthy diet. Next, eggs and cheese, the perfect combination for strong bones. Eggs and cheese are both nutrient-dense foods, particularly beneficial for bone health. Eggs contain vitamin D, a crucial nutrient that helps the body absorb calcium more efficiently. Meanwhile, cheese is an excellent source of calcium, which strengthens bone density and reduces the risk of bone loss with age. When these two foods are combined, they enhance calcium absorption, promoting stronger and healthier bones. Additionally, certain aged cheeses contain beneficial probiotics that support gut health and boost the immune system. These probiotics help balance gut microbiota, improve nutrient absorption, and reduce the risk of digestive issues. For a delicious and nutritious meal, try an omelet with cheese, combined with spinach or mushrooms. Spinach is rich in fiber, iron, and antioxidants, while mushrooms provide essential B vitamins and minerals. This combination not only enhances nutritional value but also creates a flavorful and satisfying dish. Finally, eggs and apples, the perfect pairing for digestion and energy. Eggs and apples make a powerful nutritional duo with numerous health benefits. Apples are rich in fiber, particularly pectin, a soluble fiber that supports digestion, reduces bloating, and promotes gut health. Thanks to this property, apples help the digestive system function more efficiently, enhancing nutrient absorption from other foods, including eggs. Additionally, apples are a great natural source of vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in strengthening the immune system and supporting collagen production for healthy skin. More importantly, vitamin C enhances the body's ability to absorb iron, an essential mineral needed for red blood cell production, oxygen transport, and energy levels. Pairing apples with eggs optimizes nutrient absorption, reduces the risk of anemia, and boosts overall health. A simple way to enjoy the benefits of this combination is to eat sliced apples alongside eggs. You can pair them with fresh cheese or prepare an apple egg salad for a nutritious, well-balanced meal that supports digestion and sustained energy. Here are the healthiest ways to cook eggs. Avoid eating raw eggs. Why is this important? Eggs are a highly nutritious food, but consuming them raw can have negative effects on health. One major concern is the presence of avidin, a protein that binds to biotin, vitamin B7, and prevents the body from absorbing this essential nutrient. Biotin plays a crucial role in metabolism and helps maintain healthy skin, hair, and nails. A deficiency in biotin can lead to fatigue, brittle hair, and weak nails. Additionally, eating raw eggs increases the risk of exposure to harmful bacteria like salmonella, which can cause food poisoning with symptoms such as vomiting, diarrhea, and stomach pain. This is especially dangerous for young children, the elderly, and individuals with weakened immune systems. The best way to avoid these risks is to cook eggs before eating. Cooking deactivates avidin, allowing the body to absorb biotin efficiently, while also eliminating harmful bacteria to ensure food safety. You can prepare eggs in various ways, such as boiling, scrambling, steaming, or making omelets, to enjoy both their delicious taste and full nutritional benefits. The best cooking methods to preserve egg nutrition. Eggs are a rich source of protein and vitamins, but the way they are cooked can impact their nutritional value and health benefits. Choosing the right cooking method helps retain essential nutrients while ensuring food safety. One of the best methods is soft boiling, which preserves almost all vitamins and minerals in eggs while eliminating the risk of salmonella contamination from raw eggs. Keeping the yolk slightly runny helps maintain essential fatty acids and powerful antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which support eye health. Another excellent option is steaming, a gentle cooking method that doesn't expose eggs to excessive heat or oil. Steamed eggs retain more nutrients compared to fried eggs and also help protect the antioxidants found in the yolk. Besides cooking methods, the type of oil used also plays a crucial role. Healthy oils like olive oil and avocado oil contain heart-friendly monounsaturated fats that reduce inflammation and support cardiovascular health. In contrast, industrial vegetable oils and animal butter can produce harmful compounds when heated at high temperatures, increasing the risk of inflammation and heart disease. In summary, for a nutrient-rich and health-friendly meal, opt for cooking methods like soft boiling or steaming and use healthy oils to maximize the benefits of eggs. Eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense foods, packed with high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and minerals. However, how we pair eggs with other foods can significantly impact nutrient absorption and overall health. Avoiding the 3 worst food combinations helps you maximize the nutritional benefits of eggs. Some foods can interfere with protein, mineral, or vitamin absorption, reducing the benefits of your meal. Instead of combining eggs with foods that hinder digestion or nutrient uptake, opt for those that enhance your body's ability to absorb essential nutrients. Additionally, cooking methods play a crucial role. Steaming, soft boiling, or using healthy cooking oils like olive oil and avocado oil help preserve the nutrients in eggs while minimizing harmful compounds. These choices not only improve digestion but also promote long-term health. Ultimately, incorporating eggs into a well-balanced diet will not only give you more energy but also support immune function, enhance heart health, and improve cognitive performance. By making smart food pairings and using healthy cooking techniques, you can fully enjoy the incredible nutritional benefits that eggs offer. Thank you for watching. Remember to pair eggs with the right foods and use healthy cooking methods to maximize nutrition. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss our next helpful videos. See you next time.